Hi, I'm Ken Torino, President and Founder of K-Tor, and we're here today to show you our latest product, our pedal generator, the PowerBox. We're going to show you how to set it up, use it, and put it back into storage mode. When your PowerBox arrives from the factory, it'll come in a box like this. So let's open the box. Instructions will be here on top. You can follow along this video with your instructions. Take the unit out. First step is to take the pedals out. There's a little clip right here. Lift that to release it. Same thing on the other side. Take the feet off. There's 4 pins. Take the main unit, unclip this pin, remove it. You swing this thing all the way around. And you see where these 5 shapes will line up. And this is where you're going to put this pin back in. Now, this will take some force. You're going to have to press that in hard. And then lock it back in so it stays there. Socket goes forward away from you. You can see there's these 6 circles here. Same thing on the feet. You're going to want to orient it so it's seated. And then you're going to put the pins back in. Same thing on the other side. Make sure it's seated before you put the pins in. Next step is attaching the pedals. There's a right and a left. You can see on this one, there's a small R right here. Also on the unit, there's an R here. So right goes on right, socket faced away from you. To put it on, it needs to be unlocked. Now right now it's unlocked. This slides over, that's locked. To get it out of locked, you have to lift this tab slightly and then it'll release, and this will go in unlocked. Slide it on all the way, moved it to the lock position, and make sure it's locked on. Same thing on the other pedal. Now your PowerBox is ready to be used.